What's going on? Here today in Sideways Studio, creating another Adorama video about LED lights and shooting RGB LED lights. Let's see how it goes. I don't know.
What's up,
Hey, what's up, man? Dale, que tú comiste hoy. I forgot I had my glasses on. I was like, why is it so dark? We're stuck.
I'm Manny, by the way. I don't know if I.
Yeah, I think I met you last time.
Yeah,
it was a long time ago.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I remember now. You last time.
Yeah. All right, we're chilling here. They have another rental going on, so we're just killing time.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna set up, playing balls right here. Setting up, getting ready to get the lights ready. Getting ready to get the lights ready. Okay.
Getting ready.
Go as high as you can. Go 100, just so I can see. Okay, yep, that's the fly. Okay, cool. So what we have to do is, we have to expose for the key lights, because then with this we could bring it up. Yep. Ooh, can we, let me see. Yeah, I want it really sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, this is freaky when you're looking at it here from here.
Right?
Let me see, it's probably a little. Okay. And then let's turn this one on. We're getting it there. Okay, that's her exposure there. So now what we're probably gonna have to do is, the blue is way too much. So we're gonna have to come a little bit more behind her. Go super low on this one first. Let's start, you know what, turn this one off. Let's start with the bottom light. Let me drink some water, because I'm dying. Yes, 50 is good. And now let's go with that one and go down that one to 52. Yeah, go super dark, dude. Super dark. Oh, this is gonna look so good, Molly. Yeah. Yeah. Go. Keep going down. Go like exaggerated. Go to 20. Go to 10. No, that's not working. Go back up. So, what happened? Oh yeah, we got the lighting. Show them right here. Show them what we got. This is test. Yeah, buddy. Looks so cool. So I'm gonna put on my shirt so I can look decent for the video. But for the vlog, it doesn't matter, you know? It doesn't matter, but not as much. Maybe a little. Okay, leave my mic down here, in here. Okay.
This is Molly. Say hi to the vlog. Thank you for coming.
You guys.
Yeah.
Can't wait to show you guys this.
Talk to the mic right here.
Talk to the mic.
Oh, I'm crying.
All right, Molly. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try it. Okay. Okay. It'll probably open up. We kind of look alike. All right, let me turn on my camera. Maybe that will help. Beautiful. Okay, check these out.
Oh, so beautiful.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay. How's that one?
Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah. Wait. All right. All right, start picking. Let's pick them.
Let's do a few more with no foam. Maybe
We'll
just
go-
look at
okay.
the straight.
Okay, cool. Okay, we're good. We're doing good with time.
Doing good?
Mm-hmm. Did you see that? I don't think you saw that. Amazing. Great model. Great team. Great BTS girl. Great studio. How's that? Do you want the sun more on her head or that's good? Sun more up?
Do more fingers on the side. kind of like, there you go. Love it.
Okay, hold on. Give me a second. All right, here we go. How's that? Oh, what's up, dude? Good, man. How you been?
Oh, this is looking good.
Yeah, dude, we're killing it. It's looking amazing. Yeah, that one looks good. Cool, right?
That's money.
Money.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Looks sick. Let me see if I'm not shaking because, you know, no flash. Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's so nice, Molly.
Okay, let
Let me hold that again, but I think without the hand on the chin. Like just that, her looking up like that looks beautiful. Let's see. You do? We got that one. Yeah. This one, that's the vibe. Like that. You see it? What do you think? Let me center it more. How's that? Yes.
Yes.
So good. Ah, so pretty. Okay, let's get a couple more and then we're good. Let me see. Next look is yellow on yellow. Just 2 LED lights. You're gonna get this nice, dark, moody shot. Let's see how it looks. We're gonna find out in a minute. Look more towards this way for me. Yeah. Let me see something. Okay, let's play around with your hands and just freestyle. Just want to capture stuff, yep. Let me move this light a little bit this way so I can capture a little bit more shadow. That's cool, I like looking that way. I like that one, yeah, let me see. Closer to your face. There we go, hold that. Tequila? Okay. All right, guys, as you can see, you can take images using LED lights and do video at the same time. Let me know what you thought about those shots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Good. All I needed was tequila. All right, we're done. Molly, thank you so much. All right, guys, that was it. We used LED lights only today. The shots came out pretty incredible. It took a little tweaking because we had to adjust the exposure back and forth, but we got it. I love how the images came out. My team did great. My model did great. She was amazing over there. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come again next week. I don't know if it's next week, maybe next month, who knows? When we do another shoot. All right, we're out.